Hello students, I am your English teacher, and in this video today we are going to learn about preposition standard 4. So students, let us discuss about preposition. So first of all, preposition. What is preposition? Means a preposition is a part of speech that shows a relationship between two things. Means preposition is the part of speech which indicates the relationship between two things. So there are three parts mainly of the preposition. The first is location. It shows locations, it shows timing, it shows direction. Okay, about location. So there is one particular thing. So while we use on, it indicates that it would be on the surface, and we will use under. So it indicates that the things will be under the object. Okay. Likewise, timing before, after, during. Then direction means from, towards, to. Okay, students. Now let us see the example of two things. So how two things is used? Over here, the mouse is on the table. Here, on is preposition. So what on indicates? On indicates the relationship of one is on the other, means the mouse is on the table. Mouse and the tables are the things, and on shows its relationship. So mouse plus table means there is no connection, but we use on the table, so it shows the mouse is situated on the table. Okay friends, hope you have understand about the relationship of two things in preposition. So here on is the preposition. Now this is the second example. So this mouse is under the table. So two things means two object, mouse and table. So what the relationship is? Under the one is under the other, means there is a table, and under the table there is mouse. So it is the relationship, means between mouse and table the relationship is under. So the mouse is under the table. Under is preposition. Okay. Now here is a list of some of most common prepositions. So now we will read abroad, along, behind, but, from, of, fast, until, about, amid, below, by, in, on, since, up, above, among, beneath, down, inside, into, through, upon, across, around, beside, during, into, out, to, with, after, at, between, except, near, outside, toward, within, against, before, beyond, for, of, over, under, and without. So these are the most common prepositions. So now we are going to discuss about some of the preposition which is mainly uses, which is also in our syllabus. So the use of some prepositions. First of all, at. So at is used with the name of small villages and towns. So while you want to describe small villages and towns, that time you can use at. At is also used for point of time. Means if you want to describe the particular time zone, particular point of time, that time you can use at. Over here we have some examples. First, Mohan lives at Kathua. Means Kathua is the small village. Okay, so that's why here we have used at preposition. Second, she was born at Aliabad. So here Aliabad is the name of small town. So we have used at preposition. In third, we had tea at 5 o'clock. So here there is a point of time. So we have used at 5 o'clock. He had he came at the right time. Means the right time is the particular point of time. So we have used at the right time. Okay, now let us see others as well. So in is used with the names of big cities and states, and with months and years. Now we have some examples. It means while we want to describe some cities and states, so before that we used preposition. So and with months and years also. Example, my uncle lives in Delhi. So Delhi is the name of big city. So here we have used in preposition. Next, second sentence. There are many film studios in Bombay. So here Bombay is the name of big cities. So we have used in. Rains started in July. So as we have seen with the month and years we used in preposition. So July is the name of the month, so we have used in preposition. Rains started in July. Then fourth, his grandfather died in 1986. Means it is years. 1986 is years. So we have used in preposition. Okay friends, hope so you have understand about in preposition. So now next preposition is on. So on is used with days and dates. So example, I shall go to Delhi on Sunday. Means Sunday is the days. So we have used on preposition. Next, our examination begins on 24th of July. So here 24th is the date. So we have used on preposition. Okay. So on is used with the days and dates. Now the next, note the following uses of in and at in a relation to time. Now here we have some confusing words. So the time relation, what we have to use in or at. So here in morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, you can use in a preposition, and for noon night and down. You can use at noon, at night, at dawn. Okay. Now we have in and into. So in denotes a rest inside something. Means there is something inside the particular thing. So here is the example. He was sitting in the room. Means there is inside something. So in room there is the man is sitting. So where in the room. So in denotes inside, rest inside. So here in we have used, means there don't have any motion and all the things. If there is rest inside, then we will use in. Next, into denotes motion towards the inside of something. So while there is motion and it is inside of something, then we use into. So the fox fell into the well. Into the well means fox fell. So there is motion while the fox is falling. So the fox fell into the well. So there is motion. So that's why we have used into. Next, over here you can see in means there is rest inside the box and there is motion, okay, inside something. So the ball is going into the box, means there is motion. You can see there is a ball and the box and the motion is there. So we have used into, and over here we have used in preposition. Hope so you understand, students. Now on and upon. So what is the on preposition and upon? So on denotes rest on the surface of something, means while on surface particular thing is existed, then we used on prepositions. And upon denotes motion. It's the same thing as we have seen in and into. So on means the things rest on the surface of something. Here is the example. The book is on the table. So there is a book and on the table, means the table is the surface and there is book on it. So book is on the surface of the table. So we have used on preposition. So the book is on the table. Likewise, the cat is sitting on the table, on the cupboard, you can use. Now upon denotes motion, means there is same thing, but the difference is that there is on the surface and it is in motion. So the cat jumped upon the table. Okay, students. So while the motion is there, we will use upon, and there is the particular thing is on the surface, then we will use on preposition. Next, now between and among. So between is used for two persons, places or things. Means if there is two person, things and places and objects, then we will use between. Okay, like the example is the two brothers quarrel between themselves. Means there is two brother and they have quarrel with themselves, between themselves. So here we have used between because there is two persons, okay, two brothers, and if there is more than two, we will use among. So among is used for more than two persons, two places, or two things. So example, the three brothers quarrel among their services. So here you can find there is three persons. Okay. So while we are finding more than two persons, places, or things, then we use among. So just like the mosque is between the school and the temple, so you can use this example to show the between preposition. Okay students, like my books is there among the other books, okay, because there is more than two things when we use among preposition. So while there is more than two persons, places, or things, and while there is two persons, places, or things, then we use between. Hope so students you have understood about all the things. Now over here there is some exercise, we will do it. So pick out prepositions in the following sentences. So over here you have to identify that which prepositions has been used. So likewise also I am going to send you homework about preposition and you have to identify that which are the prepositions. Also we have seen before that there are some prepositions, most commonly used prepositions we have seen. So you can guess. He is going to England. So here to is the preposition. It shows direction. Next, second, the teacher was angry with Misha. Here with means there is relationship with the Misha. Okay, so with is used as a preposition. Third, the hunter aimed at the birds. So what the preposition is used? So at here at preposition is used. Then fourth, I live in a village means here in is used. So I live in a village, inside the village. So fifth, she went into her house. So here into we have used because she went, it shows that motion, so that we have used into preposition. So students likewise just you have to pick out prepositions. So as just I will send you homework with this also, so you have to do by yourselves. Okay students, thanks.